Myself, Dr. Kundan Mishram, Assistant Professor, Department of Agriculture and Vidyapetika, Jyoti Vidyapeeth from University, Chennai. Student, today we will learn about the new topic that is fertility, pregnancy and delivery. First of all, here we have to learn the female reproductive system. The organ of reproduction of women are classified into the external or internal. External genital organs are the pudenda, commonly designed the vulva, included all the structures visibly externally from the pubis to the perineum. That is mons pubis, labia majora and labia minora. Clitoris, hymen, vestibule, urethra opening, and various glandular and vascular structures. This is the exam or this is the diagram of the external female genital organ. Here, mons pubis and clitoris stellula, all are the structure given in the diagram. Then mons pubis, here the mons pubis is or mons veneris is the fat-filled cushion that lies over the symphysis pubis. All puberty, the skin of the mons pubis is covered by curly hair and forms the ischiation. In women, it is distributed in triangular area, the base of which is formed by the upper margin of the symphysis. Second is labia majora. These structures vary somewhat in appearance and principally according to amount of fat that is contained within the tissue. The round ligament terminate at the upper border. After the repeated childbearing, the labia majora are less prominent. They are 7 to 8 centimeter in the length, 2 to 3 centimeter in the width, and 1 to 1.5 centimeter in the thickness, and are somewhat tapered at the lower extremities. In children and nulliparous women, the labia majora usually lie in the close apposition, whereas in multiparous women, they are capped widely. The labia minora. The labia minora is very greatly in the size and shape. In the nulliparous women, they usually are not visible behind the non-separated labia majora. The multiparous, it is common for the labia minora to protect beyond the labia majora. Each labia minor is thin-fold of the tissue of labia minora covered superiorly, where each is divided into two lamina. The lower pair fuse to form the frenulum of the clitoris, and the upper pair merge to form the prepuce. Inferiorly, the labia minora extend to approach the midline as the low ridge of the tissue that fuse to form the fortitude. With clitoris, the clitoris is principal female erogenous organ. It is homologous of the penis and is located near the superior extremity of the vulva. This erectile organ projects downward between the branched extremities of the labia minora. The clitoris is composed of the glans, a corpus, and the vulva and the two dura. The vestibule. The vestibule is the almond-shaped area that is enclosed by the labia minora laterally and extends from the clitoris to the fortitude. In the mature state, the vestibule usually is perforated by six openings: the urethra, the vagina, and two ducts of the Bartholin glands, and at times the two ducts of the paraurethral gland, also called as Skin's duct and glands. This is the this is the diagram from the lateral view of the female genitals. Then vagina. The musculomembranous structure extends from the vulva to the uterus and interposted anteriorly and posteriorly between the urinary bladder and the rectum. Anteriorly, the vagina is separated from the bladder and urethra by the connective tissue, often referred to as the vesicovagal septum. Posteriorly, between the lower portion of vagina and the rectum, there are similar tissue that together form the rectovaginal septum. The upper fourth of the vagina is separated from the rectum by ductouterine pouch, also called as Curtis sac of the Douglas. Vaginal length varies considerably, but commonly the anterior and posterior vaginal wall are respective. 6 to 8 centimeter and 7 to 10 centimeter in the length. The upper end of vaginal cavity is subdivided into anterior, posterior, and two lateral fornices by the uterine cervix. Uterus. The uterus consists of the body and cervix. The cervix protrudes into vagina. The uterus is held in the position within the pelvis by condensation of the endopelvic fascia, which are called ligamentous. And these ligaments include the pubocervical transverse cervical ligament and the uteral ligaments. It is covered by sheet-like fold of peritoneum and the broad ligament. Virginity. Virginity is the state of the person who has never engaged in the sexual intercourse. It's important in the forensic. Uh, here, the virginity is important in the perspective of medical legal view is medical legal and forensic view like defamation, divorce, nullity of marriage, and defloration. It means loss of virginity in female. It is usually accompanied by the tear of the hymen hair, as it is a tone of first coitus, but not always, as it can be found intact in pregnant women, prostitute species. The hymen is the membrane that surrounds or the partially covers the external vaginal opening. It forms the part of the vulva or the external genitals and similar in the structure to the vagina. In children, although the common appearance of the hymen is crescent shape, many shapes are possible. These shapes of the hymen are very important. You should know this. The hymen may be annular, dentate, fibriated, posterior lunar, anterior lunar, bifenstrated, and septate, and subseptate, and cribriform, or the microperforated, imperforated. The hymen is completely absent. These type of hymens are seen in the females. The causes of rupture of hymen. It may be due to accident, masturbation, ulceration, scratching, and tampon. The medical legal aspect in the presence of hymen is not an absolute proof of virginity, as it may not rupture even after repeated act of coitus carrying the property of hyperelasticity, which prevent distortion and allows prolonged displacement of it. But the hymen is always present in the virgin and very rarely it is a congenital absent. Principal signs of virginity are intact hymen, normal condition of hirsute, and posterior commissure, narrow vagina with a rough bone. These are the principal signs of the virginity in pregnancy. Definition. Pregnancy is the fertilization and development of one or more offspring, known as embryo or fetus, in the woman uterus. The childbirth usually occurs about 38 weeks after the conception. In women who have the menstrual cycle length of about 4 weeks, this is approximately 40 weeks from the start of the last normal menstrual period. Diagnosis of the pregnancy are gonorrhea, morning sickness, then enlargement of the breast and pigmentation of the skin. Here the breast changes are seen during the pregnancy, note the increase in size and darkening of the areola. Then melasma present changes in face due to the pregnancy and nausea vomiting. These are the present the pregnancy. Then diagnosis by Chadwick sign, Hager sign, linear nigra, and quickening. This is the Hager sign. Um, then linear nigra, which is present in 22 week of pregnancy. Then fluttering movements. Also, the Chadwick sign increase circulation in the vagina early in the pregnancy and changes color from the normal light pink to the purple. These all already studied in the gynecology. So I will not explain too much these things. Then positive signs of the pregnancy. Those signs that are definitely confirmed as the pregnancy. Uh, these are palpation of the entire fetus, palpation of the fetus movement, X-ray sonography test based on the presence of human chorionic gonadotropin in the urine or the blood. These are the position of the child. Okay. In gestation period, the average period is in most women it is a 40 week or 8 the normal menstrual period. The maximum period is the maximum period accepted by English code on the medical evidence was 33 days. Longer the period, larger the infant. The minimal period, the child born at or after to 10 days of the uterine life are viable. Then forensic importance. Women can plead to avoid attendance in the court unless or any risk. Woman sentenced to death can avoid her execution until 6 months after delivery. Section 416 CRPC. Woman can face pregnancy after the death of her husband to claim the succession. In the case of divorce, she may claim to be pregnant to receive more money. In the case of alleged concealment of the birth or pregnancy and infanticide, then to excess the damages in the seduction or the breach of the promises of marriage case when pregnancy is alleged to motive for suicide or murder or unmarried or widow, when the woman blackmail a man and accuse that she is pregnant by him to compel the marriage, in allegation that an unmarried woman, widow or wife living apart from her husband is pregnant, when the woman alleges that she is pregnant in order to get greater compensation when her husband dies through the negligence of same person. In medical legal aspect, the preconception and prenatal diagnostic techniques, that is the Regulation and Prevention of Misuse Act 1994 Amendment after commonly known as PMDT Act. This act prohibited determination and disclosure of sex of the fetus. It also prohibited any advertisement related to the prenatal determination of sex and prescribed punishment for its contraventions. The person who controversies the provision of this act is punishable with the imprisonment and the fine. Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971, that is MTP Act, an act to provide the termination of certain pregnancies by a registered medical practitioner and for the matter connected therewith or incidental thereto. Legitimacy and paternity. Legitimacy is the legal state of the person born in the lawful marriage. If the person is born during the continuance of the legal marriage or within 280 days after the dissolution of the marriage by divorce or death of the husband, his or her birth is presumed to be legitimate by the section of 112 Indian Evidence Act. Then the child becomes illegitimate or bastard if it can be proved that the husband could not possibly be the father of child by suitable producing the evidence. Innocent or a legitimate child can only inherit the property. Here the paternity, legitimacy and superimposious children, fiction or fictitious children. Here the medical legal importance of this child. Delivery. Delivery is the cumulation of the pregnancy or gestation period with the expulsion of one or more newborn infants from the human uterus. The process of normal human childbirth is characterized in three stages of the labor: the shortening and dilation of the cervix, descent and the birth of the infant, and the birth of the placenta. The signs of recent delivery in the living are woman is pale, exhausted, and with increased pulse and slight fever. Then perineum is sometimes lacerated, and the age of it may help in estimate the date of delivery. Labia are tender, swollen, and lacerated. The cervix is soft, and its edges are torn, and internal OS begins to close in 24 hours, and external OS is soft and admit to fingers. Vagina may show recent tear, which usually heal by 7 days. Abdominal wall are wrinkled, irregular, white, or with silvery subcutaneous scar. Uterus is felt like hard tumor immediately after delivery. In the sixth, it is the midway between the umbilicus and pubis. Loschia has a particular soul describable odor. In first 5 days, it is bright red and contains a larger clot. Intermittent uterine contraction are also be seen. These are the signs of recent delivery in the living people. The sign of remote delivery in the living are first of all abdominal wall tends to show multiple white scar on the lateral aspect. Breast are lax, soft and pedunculous. Pupils are enlarged and areola darker. Vulva in the vulva, the vagina is partially open at labia do not completely close the orifice. In cervix, the cervix is irregular and shows scars. External OAC is also irregular and fissured. Then signs of recent delivery in the day. All local signs present in the recent delivery of the living may be present. Some other changes after death are uterus is flappy for up to 2 days and then gradually shrink and resume its firmness with its cavity obliterated. The ovaries and fallopian tube are usually congested. The large corpus luteum is usually found in one of the ovaries. The bladder shows edema and hyperemia and frequently submucous extravasation of the blood. Then signs of remote delivery in the dead. First sign is uterus is larger, thicker and heavier. The wall are concave and inside forming the wider and rounded cavity. The body of uterus is twice the length of the cervix. For forensic importance, abortion, infanticide, concealment of the birth legitimacy, then divorce, chasticity, and blackmail and fish delivery. Medical legal aspect. A widow can allege that she gave the birth to the infant to inherit her husband. When a murdered newly born infant is found, the woman suspected to be its mother is examined for the signs of the recent delivery. When the babies mix in the maternity hospital, the different mothers are examined to determine the time passed in the delivery and compare this with the infant's age. Then under section 312, the voluntary cause the criminal abortion is liable for imprisonment up to the 3 year. Under section 314, if the pregnant woman dies from the miscarriage by the offender, he is liable to the imprisonment of the 7 year. Under the section of 360 causing the death of weak unborn child by any act amount to culpable homicide and he can be punished up to 10 years imprisonment. Thank you, student.